that going? Okay, 1, 2, and... Okay, cool.
I can't find the instructions, but I know the ingredients.
Oh, yeah?
So I think
so what are we going to do today?
We're going to do vegan avocado chocolate pudding.
Do you hear that?
Mm-hmm.
And there's your audience.
It's going to be good. I promise.
Okay, cool.
It's going to taste kind of like chocolate frosting. So this is what I need from you. Okay. I need like a saucepan, pot, with water, about that much water.
In it?
In it. And we're going to boil it. And we need a glass bowl to go over it. Preferably clear. I've already measured out a teaspoon of coconut oil. I'm going to put that in the bowl.
You just get that steaming, right?
Get it steaming.
Okay.
Yep. So it should cook really fast.
Okay.
And then while that's steaming, we'll go ahead and chop up some avocados.
Get this out here. Wow. You want me to open up your coconut milk?
Yes, please. And do you have your measuring cup still?
Yes.
Okay. So that stuff you have to... I'm trying to slice my finger off. Okay.
Here's a towel if you need some for your hands. Coconut milk.
Mm-hmm. Stir it up. And I will tell you how much we need. There we go.
All right.
2. Man, this is a sharp knife.
You need something different?
No. Woo! Okay. Then I need a spoon to scoop out the avocado.
Like a regular spoon?
Just, something to scoop out avocado. Regular would be good.
Just put it in here?
Nope.
What?
Nope.
Oh.
Okay. Slice up these bad boys. In there, I'm going to need you to put, let's see how much, a cup of these. Just set it aside, but don't put it in there yet. We're going to melt the coconut oil and then add them in.
Okay. And
then I'm going to put the avocados in a fancy food processor here. Perfection. These are good looking avocados, dude.
Yeah, they are.
Can't believe it. I'm shocked. When I saw them, I was like, yes.
All the guacamole I was trying to find had stuff in it.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Just make your own. It's so easy to make.
Oh, yeah.
I have, like, on the Beachbody On Demand app that I use, like, several different guacamoles. And I tweak it myself, too. Sometimes you don't have all the ingredients, you can just make it up. It's still delicious. Alright. Looks like that is almost ready for us to start. So this does have, it's got chocolate, semi-sweet, and it does have it will have maple syrup in it.
Mm-hmm.
So this was kind of one of those dessert things that you only want to do like once a week. And that's the way I try to keep it. It's like once a week, go for something yummy, but make sure that it's a little more healthy than like eating a cookie or cake or like ice cream.
No cookies.
That way you can kind of indulge a little bit without like overdoing it on your system. Man, these avocados are perfection.
Yeah, they are nice.
Oh, good. All right, that's going. Go ahead and put that glass bowl on top of that.
Okay.
And then it's going to very quickly melt coconut oil because coconut oil melts. very quickly.
Bowl here. Let's see what she's talking about.
Sizzle. How's it look? The yummy stuff.
Looks like one cup to me.
Looks like one cup to me too. Okay. I think I need like a teaspoon or tablespoon. Oh.
It's table, and I'll get you a tea.
Okay, and then I left my spoon
Little
here.
next spoon.
Very good. This is melting perfectly.
So we need to come over there. Okay. Zoom in cup part 2.
You opened up the coconut milk?
Yes.
Cool. So, I'm going to go ahead and add the chocolate. And this keeps it, like if you were to do this with just a regular pan without throwing the glass, the chocolate would probably burn.
All right.
So this way the steam comes up from the water and it heats it up perfectly so it doesn't burn up.
Nice.
Do you have a spatula? I didn't think about that.
I probably do. I got a few types.
Okay. Good. Let's let this melt for just a second. Oh, use red. Ooh, it's pretty. Matches your kitchen. There you go.
Mm.
Okay, how much?
Chocolate, I approve.
2 teaspoons. Do you have like a teaspoon measuring?
Check that middle drawer. Should have some little.
Oh, perfect. Yeah. So, half teaspoon. Tablespoon. Here.
Oh, look, I have this too if you need it.
Oh, nice. The food processor, I like using it with the avocados. It just blends it like hardcore. I'm gonna go ahead and add the 2 teaspoons of pure organic lemon extract. And I'm gonna add the coconut milk in here. Does that look melted yet?
Oh, yeah.
Cool.
Kill it.
Let's see. Oh, it's perfect. Yes.
Kill it.
Yeah. Kill it. All right. Yeah.
You can get it.
Yeah, it's good. All right. So I'm gonna pour this stuff in here. Wow, that looks good. And then I just need like a pinch of sea salt or pink Himalayan salt. You got the good stuff.
Say a pinch.
Oh yeah, just do a couple grinds when I'm done with this.
Okay.
That I love.
Big or small?
I always use the small. I always use the Himalayan salt when I over sea salt. It actually has more nutrients in it than regular salt. And like since I work out so much, I need a lot of salt in my body. And so that actually, I can go crazy with it, and it's not like as salty as regular
Yeah,
salt.
that's better.
Perfect.
Would you say a pinch?
Yep. That's good. That's it. Sweet. All right. Now that we've made a mess, we are going to add the top. One. Oh, I got a plug in, which is over there. Let's see. I'm gonna have to move this a little bit.
All this GMO food.
It's so evil. All right, power and start.
All this dirty?
Yeah, makes it
Look at that chocolate.
is that?
I love the look of the dirty chocolate bowl.
Yeah.
Something's gonna be good in here.
Stir. I do this like maybe 2 to 4 times, depending on the how it looks up. But eventually, all these little avocado chunks are going to be pure and smooth. And then after that, you just put it in the refrigerator. I feel like I'm missing something. Maple syrup! You guys! What is wrong with me? Let's add the good. This is a half a cup of maple syrup. Pure, organic, straight from the Canadians. God bless them with their maple syrup. I learned a lot about maple syrup in Canada.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Did you go up there?
No, some Netflix documentary.
Oh.
Good stuff. All right, here we go.
We watch that for you?
No, that's okay. I'll watch it when I get home. There we go. Now. Okay, let's give it a little stir. Get these chunks moving around. Oh, it's so smooth and creamy.
Ooh.
So you just put it in your refrigerator.
Got some chunks down here.
Yep. And it's got a blade right there.
Oh.
So you put it in your refrigerator, and you know like how most puddings have like, when you put it in the refrigerator, it has that layer of thickness at the top that it gets?
Skin.
This will also get that, but not as bad. A way to combat that, if you want, is to put it in like a Ziploc bag, which I use Ziploc bags, but if you put it in an airtight, with no air in there at all, it won't ever get
Just
that.
squeeze it into your mouth.
Yeah, drink it. And the serving size is a quarter cup. No, it's not. Let me look at it. Yeah, quarter cup. It's almost done. It's only got that one little short one. It's a little things. It's getting there. One more stir. Alright. That's good. You ready to try it?
I'm not gonna try it.
Why not?
You try it. I'm just kidding. We're not gonna try it.
Okay, good.
Let me get some whipped cream right quick.
Okay.
Oh,
That's so creamy.
yeah, so just taste it out of here.
Bring your little camera over here.
Okay.
Okay.
So yeah, there you go.
Can you see down in there? It
Yeah.
is super, like, perfect texture.
Wow. Looks
Very
like real
creamy.
pudding.
Yeah, it is. It absolutely is real pudding, and it's very, it's a high fat snack.
Okay.
Okay, we like fat. Fat is good for your brain.
That's right.
Fat is good for your body. It helps your body learn that fat is fuel.
Wow.
So here we go.
So now
Let's
what?
try it. We're gonna eat.
Oh yeah? Okay.
Yep.
So just
Go for it.
try it. Okay. Wow. I thought it would taste like avocado.
Does it taste like avocado?
No. Tastes like chocolate chips. Wow. I see your point. If it was cold, it would be really good.
Yeah.
Like pudding.
Yeah,
Like-
yeah.
But it is pudding.
3 hours in the fridge, it would be like perfect
Wow.
chocolate pudding.
Wow. So how come people aren't selling this?
Because you gotta make it yourself. This is a whole food ingredient. I mean, everything we used was organic. I mean, everything that we used.
So how long would this stay alive? Like pudding, will it last till next year, or is it got a shelf life? Or?
This would not last more than 2 days in my house.
Yeah.
But I'd leave it in my fridge for a week. I can't. There's coconut milk in there, and I mean, really, there's nothing in here. This is vegan, so you don't have to worry about any animal products rotting.
Wow. Well, hope you enjoyed today. This is Shannon, and this is her incredible concoction of pudding. It really tastes like pudding.
Vegan
It really does.
chocolate
Where's my
avocado
spoon?
pudding.
I want my spoon again. This
Go
is
for
really
it.
good. Damn.
The
Rough
hard part
pudding.
is like not eating the whole thing.
Dude, that's crazy. I could see that.
Yeah.
Yeah, wow. Holy smokes. Incredible. Stay tuned for more from this lady over here.